Sonal, what is meaning of string token function? Splitting the string one by one. Okay, good Pallavi. Okay, Basan, good. Split a string into smaller string. Okay. So the string token function means it can split the string into smaller string. A smaller string is also known as the tokens. Okay. So last lecture we write the syntax of the string token function. So write in next line. Write down in next line. This function splits a string splits a string splits a string splits a string in single quotation. Write down the str in single quotation. Write down the str into smaller strings. Smaller string means
Tokens.
yes, smaller string means tokens. In bracket tokens, comma, with each token with each token with each token being eliminated by being eliminated by being eliminated by any character any character any character from separator. Everyone write the program for the string token function.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So next line you can write the example, write a program for the string token function and also write down their output. So next sorry, write down the next function, that is the scanf. Write down the next function name, that is scanf. Scanf. Write down in that this function this function decomposes a string. This function decomposes a string. This function decomposes a string. In next line, the scanf function, the scanf function, the scanf function parse a string, parse a string, parse a string into variables based on the format of the string. Based on the format of the string. Write down the syntax of scanf function. The first we accept the string and the second one is the format of the string and third one is the we accept the argument 1 comma argument 2 dot argument plus plus. This is the syntax of scanf. Scanf. So when we write the program for the scanf function, you can only use when you are writing the large string, it is converted or it is decomposed as a string. Means if contain the large string, for example, I will write the statement as I am student in class 12 and up to. Okay. So when using the scanf function, you can write, for example, you can write here the $a as a string name. So this overall string will be stored into the variable as a $a. Okay. So when using the scanf function splits a string or pass a string into variables. So what is the data type of the I? What is the data type of I?
Character.
Okay. M.
String.
Okay. 12.
Integer.
Okay. So when we write in the format, so you can only pass for I is the dollar percent C, then percentage, 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 and for 12 is the percent D. Means you can write the format of the string and according to the output will be displayed for decomposition. Okay. So when we write the program for the scanf function, we can simply write program. First, give the string name. I will write here the statement as dollar $str, that is string, equals to if, I will write the statement you divide if you divide 4 by 2, you will get 2. Okay, so this is a string we can write. Then when we divide or when we decompose the string, for example, I will assume that is a $f. Then write the function name as scanf. In bracket, the first parameter is string. So here the first parameter is the str. Then second is the format of the string. So format of the string is right in the double quotation mark. And within that, what is the data type of the if? What is the data type of the if?
String.
A string. So write down the $s. What is the data type of the u?
String.
Okay, $s. Then what is the data type of the divide? Divide is also string. Then what is the data type of the 4?
Integer.
Okay, integer for D. For the integer means D. Then by means again string. Then again 2 means the integer. So write D. Again U will be again one more string. So write S. Again gate is also one more string. So write S, and 2 is the integer. So write in the format using the data types for percent %d, for percentage, for string, for percent %d, for integer, and write in that way. How many strings we are present in the, you can write according to the format. Okay. So here total string is present. It's a very large string. So when you decompose a string, for that I will use the format of the string. And you can simply write the using the print underscore r function and the dollar and the semicolon. This is a simple program for the scanf function. You understand how to write the program for scanf function? Everyone
Yes, ma'am.
got it? So when we run the program, so what is the output? इसका आउटपुट क्या डिस्प्ले होगा? What is the output? Okay, I will share the screen and see the output. Okay. So first we start the Apache server, then go to any Firefox and write the URL. What is the URL for running PHP script? What is the URL? http :/localhost :8080 /folder name and /program name and enter. What is the output? For 0, we assign the if, means for %s, percentage is the string. So we assign the if, then for u, then for divide, then by, then 2, you will, then get, and 2. So the all overall string will decomposes, this string will decomposes or splits into the variables or according to the format of the string. Okay, understand? Again, here I will write the one more. For example, I will write here the percent. Okay, I will write here the A. So again, I will write here because one more character or one more string is added. So that A is also one of the character. So I will write here the percent C. This is the percent C because A is the character. This is percent C. Okay? Understand the program?
Yes, ma'am.
भी आपके स्ट्रिंग में आप जितनी आपकी स्ट्रिंग है उसमें जो भी आपकी स्ट्रिंग्स प्रेजेंट है उसके अकॉर्डिंग सिर्फ आपको क्या देना है उसका डेटा टाइप देना है जो भी आप फॉर्मेट में लिखते हैं इंटीजर होगा तो परसेंट स्ट्रिंग होगा तो परसेंटेज कैरेक्टर होगा तो परसेंट सी सो अकॉर्डिंगली उसको क्या देना है उसका फॉर्मेट so easily we can decompose a string or splits a string or parse a string into variables. Okay, the last string will be converted into one parts or splits a string. That is, if you divide 4 by 2, you will get 2. Okay, understand the program for a scanf function?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so write down the program. Okay, so write down the program. Also write down their output. Okay, mark your attendance. Mark the attendance in classwork as well as in chat box. Everyone fastly marks the attendance. Okay, so 24 students are present. Okay, accordingly, mark the attendance in classwork. Okay, done the program? Okay, done program? Okay, all students mark the attendance. Only in chat box. Only 20 students mark the attendance. Remaining student fastly marks the attendance. Because 24 students are present. Fastly mark the attendance. Gopal, Dheeraj. Okay, Dheeraj is also not present. Gaurav, okay. Priyanka, Akash, Pranali, Nikita, Rupam. Okay, 23. One student is remaining.